Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to add money onto Cash App using a debit card. Okay, so here I am on Cash App. You're going to go to the top right and click on your profile picture. So click up there, and from here you're just going to scroll down until you see a section that says Accounts and Settings, and then there's going to be an option that says Linked Banks. So click on Linked Banks. So from here you'll have an option to actually link a bank account or link a debit card. So click on link a debit card and type in your information. So after you link the debit card to your Cash App account, along the very bottom you're going to go to the far left, and as you can see I have $14 in my Cash App balance, and under cash balance you see a section that says add money. So we're going to click on add money, and from here it's just going to bring up a couple options: $10, $25. If you want to add a custom amount, click on those three dots. Okay, so let's just say I just want to add a custom amount onto Cash App, and at the very bottom you'll see the button that says continue. So I actually don't want to deposit money onto Cash App in this moment, but that is how you deposit money to Cash App using a debit card. If this video helped out, hit that like button. I'll see you guys later.